45-year-old married African-American male presents to the office requesting a test for HIV. His wife and 2 children are in the waiting room. Upon taking a history, he reports to you that he has had sex with men and women, but is on the down low. He admits to having thoughts, fantasies, and dreams only about men. Which of the following best describes his sexual orientation and behavior? Sexual orientation is bisexual, and sexual behavior is bisexual. Sexual orientation is homosexual, and sexual behavior is bisexual. Sexual orientation is heterosexual, and sexual behavior is bisexual. Or sexual orientation is homosexual, and the sexual behavior is heterosexual. Question 2. A 17-year-old high school student presents to your office for a physical exam in order to play football. He admits to being sexually aroused when in the locker room with other male players, but is afraid to tell his girlfriend. He admits to having sexual dreams about both sexes, but would never act on his homosexual feelings. He plans to marry his cheerleader girlfriend after graduation. Which of the following best describes his sexual orientation? Heterosexual, homosexual, bisexual, or transsexual? Question 3. A 13-year-old female presents for her yearly physical exam accompanied by her mom. Her mom states that she is concerned that her daughter may be gay and wants to know what she can do before it's too late. Your best response would be, A, reassure mom that her daughter is just going through a stage of life and development and will be heterosexual later. B, reassure mom that her daughter's sexuality is not a choice and to be supportive of her regardless of her sexuality. C, reassure mom that taking her daughter to a religious counselor for therapy could prevent her daughter from becoming gay. Or D, reassure mom that keeping her daughter away from gay people will help her daughter from becoming gay. Question 4. A 40-year-old pregnant patient and her husband are presented to the office for a follow-up appointment. She asks you what the odds are that her unborn child will be gay. Based on current scientific studies, which of the following details in the family history would have the greatest odds that the child would be gay? Patient has already had 4 boys and her brother is gay, or patient has had 4 girls and her brother is gay, or patient has had 4 girls and her dad is gay, or patient has had 4 boys and no one in the family is gay. Question 5. A colleague asked you about the latest scientific evidence on the causation of human sexuality. The following information would be most helpful for your colleague: genetics, hormones, and female birth order, genetics, hormones, and male birth order, genetics, external environment, and male birth order, or genetics, external environment, and female birth order.